It looks like now we gotta set up Face ID, so let's go ahead and do that. Take some pictures, I guess. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. The very first thing I noticed when setting up Face ID is this camera is smooth. Like, the camera is really good. Alright, let me make this password. Y'all won't get to see this. Alright, now it wants to set up apps and data, but I've never had an iPhone before, so I guess we'll just skip this. Apple ID. Oh, you know we're gonna go with that dark mode. Come on now, yes sir. Yes sir, you know we gotta go with that dark mode. Light? Nah, dark. Yes sir. Alright, let's go. Display zoom. Yes sir, welcome. Swipe up. Alright, so my first impressions on this is, first of all, it's a very beautiful color. I really like the dark granite, this granite gray dark color. It's really nice. Second thing I've noticed in my short time having this, I can tell that this is gonna have a lot of fingerprints on it. You can see already that it's a fingerprint magnet. But whatever, you know, the stainless steel sides, they're nice. The back is really nice. I really like how it feels. It just feels premium, you know, coming from an older phone, an Android phone that I've had for a few years. This feels really nice. Third thing I've noticed is this phone is like huge. Like, look how big my hands are. My hands are pretty big, and even with my big hands, this phone still feels pretty big. Like, I can use it with one hand. I feel like for a lot of things, I'm gonna have to use two hands maybe. How's the keyboard on this? Alright, one good thing I've noticed is the keyboard is pretty much on the bottom of the screen, so I will be able to use that one-handed, so that's at least something good. Last but not least, what I noticed is, man, this camera is really nice, really nice. From the normal camera to selfie camera and everything. I immediately noticed that when I opened it up. And the macro mode is really nice. It can go really close to objects. Like, look. Overall, it's gonna take me some time to get used to this. But yeah, I'll definitely say I already like how this feels. It just feels nice. It feels premium, expensive, definitely. It's definitely pretty heavy. I would say if you don't have big hands like me, I would say just get the regular iPhone Pro, because the iPhone Pro Max is definitely a big phone. I would definitely say this is pretty big, so only get this if you have some pretty big hands, or if you just don't mind using a big phone. Another thing I've noticed is the camera bump on the back is pretty big. So if you set this down, the first thing that's gonna touch the table is definitely the lens. So I'm probably gonna get a case that evens this out so it doesn't rest on the camera lens when you put it down. I think I would recommend that. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to slap a case on this. I'm not gonna use this phone considering how much I spent on it without a case and a screen protector. So this is gonna sit right here till that case comes in. If you would like to see me review this phone or give more personal opinions of this phone as someone who's been an Android user for 10 years straight, then drop a comment and leave a like and let me know, and I'll record a review after I've used it for some time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you appreciated this video, I hope you liked it, and without further ado, I hope you have a great day.